Okay, so today we are working on 2013 Town and Country. Piece of garbage and
No, 3.8 this garbage, this good car.
okay, срываю. Okay, so what happened? My friend, it's a transmission oil. It looked like a transmission oil leaking, right? Right
it's
here.
Not transmission
but
oil.
it's not. It doesn't smell like transmission, doesn't feel like. It's a motor oil. So what happened is leaking from here. Actually, it's leaking from this oil cooler. We're gonna put a new oil cooler. So first, what you want to do, man, I need your assistance always. Remove all this garbage out of the way, and then remove this air manifold. It's pretty easy, and then we're gonna get all the way to the cooler. Man, brother, you're working faster than a Mexican. That's good. Now we'll disconnect all these wires, hoses out of the way. 8mm socket, and then 1 and 2 bolts nuts here. So all this vacuum hoses lines disconnected, wire harness disconnected. Okay. Oh yeah. Alejandro, bring the match.
What? What?
Fuel is leaking. Bring the matches. It's gonna be fun video now. I would recommend to cover these amazing nostrils, because if you drop something in there, it's gonna be bad day. Okay, so there is our oil cooler. Remove this antifreeze reservoir tank out of the way. Just lift it up and put it on the side and drain the antifreeze. Okay, so we got this homemade masterpiece. Wire up. Okay, nice and clean, and all the oil is here. And make sure there is no rubber seal in there. Clean it pretty good. With Q-tip, I highly recommend to clean the threads and make sure you get all the oil and the antifreeze. So we got a new one, new oil cooler, and how nice of them, they even put a Mopar original oil filter in there. Good stuff. Always you want to make sure. Time to put the oil cooler back. Hold on just a second. It's easier this way. This antifreeze hose, and we are putting gently back. Make sure that oil, your little piece sits on it. Firmly press on it. Yep, it is in. Okay, beautiful. Now time to throw everything back together. I believe this is the oil pressure sensor, and this is the antifreeze temperature sensor. So we notice it's easier actually when you install in the injectors. First put it in the rail and then into the manifold, just like so. Easy peasy. Now we wanna put the harness back. And of course, don't forget to put that little cushion before you installing the manifold. Good. Make sure those bolts are in place. There we go, and it is all done. And this is the tools that we are going to use: a 1/4-inch ratchet, extensions, 8 mm, 10 mm, 1/4 millimeter, not a millimeter, a quarter inch, and T30 Torx. Also pliers will be handy. Okay, so pretty much the problem was with oil seal. Of course, it is way cheaper to swap just the seals, but we went ahead and replaced the whole oil cooler. Give us a like, please, for this video. Subscribe for new future videos. Any question, leave it in a comment. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.